Hi guys, welcome to Molo's vlog. I am Luis and today we are in Curaçao, Willemstad. So today I'm in the beautiful new Staten Dam from Holland, America. It's a beautiful ship. It's a sunny day, so I need to take advantage. So guys, as soon as you leave the ship out, you have all these markets right here. Souvenir stores, liquor stores, even cafes. They have some bars here with Wi-Fi. And yeah, oh, they're selling cheese. Yeah, oh, that's so nice. Yeah, this is just right next to the port as soon as you come out. So you have two options. You can take the shuttle bus, which is right there and it will take you straight, or you can have the nice walk through here. When you walk through here, you come out of the pier through the fort. And guys, this place is full of history, so I hope I can share something with you. Welcome to the Reef Fort, guys. This is established in 1828 and this is the only way you can go outside. Now you have on this side all these resorts and like a shopping mall, open shopping mall, and then in order for you to go out you must walk through the fort, which is amazing. And it's really nice. Now this place is full of history, guys, Curaçao. So as you walk through the entrance of the fort, then you will see all this amazing structure, and here tells you what kind of shops and stores they have if you go to the cruise ships. I like how they keep the structure in the fort, you know, with this theme with wood and all places. Is amazing, guys. Now something that you will see through this vlog, guys, is that Curaçao is a very colorful island, and there is a reason behind that. So here's a fun fact. Apparently the governor used to believe that if you paint the buildings in white, and plus the heat here of the island, that will give you a headache. So he ordered everyone to change the color, but like people couldn't agree which color they want in total, so everybody went with their own color, and this is why it's so colorful until today. Look how beautiful it looks. They have all these stores, ice cream shop, candy shop. And obviously, since Curaçao is a Dutch island, you cannot miss. It's a Dutch souvenir store. So they have 6 magnets for $10. Not bad. So all the structure is built with wood, as you can notice. And they have all these decorations right here. It's very nice. Yeah, I really love Curaçao. And in fact, you can walk on top of the fort. So you see some people over there. So let me take you out of there so you can check the view. So this is the view of the stores inside from the fort. It's actually pretty cool, guys. I really like this. I was here in the past, but I just went out a couple of times because I was always busy. Not that I'm not busy now, I am busy still, but today I made time and I woke up early to go out. So let me show you this, guys. This is the view of the city. By the way, the Queen Elizabeth Bridge wasn't there when I was here last time. They used to have a tender boat. going back and forth, and like a type of ferry. And yeah, it used to hold like 100 people, but the process, take like about 10 to 15 minutes. Not sure if it's faster if you walk right now. And this is the entrance from the other side. Not sure if you can come out through that side. No, it's closed. So yeah, the only way to go back to the ship must be through the fort, guys. So now I'm gonna take you around the city. As you come out of the fort, guys, making the way to walk through the bridge to go to that side. I think it's called Puna area. You have all these little tents with souvenirs, and look, they make them here. They're handmade right here. They paint them right here, so you can buy them directly, and you have lots of souvenirs. They look very nice. You can buy even the plates for the car. It's a lot of options of shopping here. Now, Curaçao is part of the ABC island, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curaçao, which they belong to the Netherlands. They're under the Kingdom of Netherlands. Oh, there is a pilot there, and look, I think they're moving the bridge. Oh, that's amazing. So they move the bridge, and the pilot can go in. On this side of the bridge, they have some restaurants such as KFC, Pizza Hut, some hotels, and there is another casino over there. And you can see people here waiting for the bridge while this gentleman is performing. It's very nice, like very colorful. And well, I was here in the past, guys, saying I have very good memories of Curaçao because people here are very friendly. They're very nice. And I remember something that impresses me is that once we cross the bridge on the other side, on that side they have free internet on the streets. You're literally walking out, you can have Wi-Fi free from the government, which I think is pretty cool. Especially for crew members who work in cruise ships. The first thing they want to do is going to go out and get some internet. Yeah, this is pretty cool. For me it is. It's called the Queen Elizabeth Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't here before. So before we used to, you see this place right there where it says ferry? That was a boat that it used to take a lot of people, over 100 people from this side to that side. And yeah, you have to walk, like you have to wait like 20-25 minutes. So you can see the ship over there. Next, this side is the fort. All the stuff right there, and this is the magnificent bridge, guys. And obviously the colorful Willemstad, Curaçao. If you can take a cruise to the ABC island, guys, to me, those are the three best places in the Caribbean. Southern Caribbean has the most beautiful colors, food, and people. People are extremely friendly, and that's a plus for these islands. These are the Punta Love Hearts, and as you can see, it's full of small locks. Same as Paris and all these places, famous places. A lot of people, they just come here for the picture, to have the shot. Mostly couples, but since Monika is in South America, I cannot take mine with her. So I'm not taking a picture of mine. But I wanted to show you, it's right next to the bridge, guys. So you come out of the bridges, right here. This is a sculpture called Chichi, which means strong, proud Caribbean. She's the loving household name for the eldest sister in the traditional Curaçao family structure. So this monument sculpture, they made it during COVID as a measure. Like they say 2020 was the year to remember, and nobody saw it coming. So they had 24 painters, 10 production staff members, 7 painters successfully finished the training while doing this. It's a very voluptuous sculpture. I'm not sure from where the music is coming from because I don't see any church here. These are the colorful streets of Willemstad, guys, and they're so beautiful. It's such a relaxing place to walk. Like, it's a nice vibe, relax. You know, like, I love it. I love walking here, guys. I promise you, it's so nice, so cool and chill. Yep. You have a lot of cosmetics and you have lots of stores with souvenirs. A lot of cruise ships, they come here, especially during this season. I believe they have like 2 or 3 ships per day during this season before the ships are heading to Europe. Now, after April, if I'm not mistaken, from April to December, they have only 1 ship or 2 to 3 ships per week coming here, making a massive difference in the income for the island. As you go in one of the souvenir stores, this is what you have, guys. I need to buy mine, that's why. So they create your own scent here, guys. This is amazing, amazing. Something interesting about Curaçao, guys, is a variety of people. You can find over 50 nationalities here in Curaçao. Now, the official languages here are Dutch, is the first one. The second one is called Papiamento, which is a Creole language from the island. You can find English and you can even find Spanish in some areas. Yeah, there's a lot of Latinos working here. Since it's very close to Venezuela, Colombia, and South America, it's actually very close to South America. You have a lot of nationalities here. Over 50 nationalities, guys. So they have this very old pharmacy. And it's funny that the name is in Spanish. Well, I hope so. This is Hipoteca Popular. However, this word servicio should be with a C at the end. Very hard not to notice that. Here's a local cafe. Willemstad here in Curaçao is a UNESCO World Heritage city, guys, because they kept this infrastructure from the 16, 17, 1800s. This is why this island in particular is a treasure here in the Caribbean. I remember I came to this restaurant in the past. It was really good. So I decided to come for breakfast in that place that I just showed you. It's called the Buren Cafe. And I just ordered a local breakfast. So this is egg, ham, local cheese, and the local bread, guys, with some orange juice and a cafe latte. Looking forward to it because I didn't have breakfast. In fact, I didn't have breakfast in so many times that, yeah, I'm craving some breakfast. Breakfast was delicious, guys, and I paid $22 for that breakfast here. I actually liked it. It was really, really good. So, well, sun came out finally. It was a little bit cloudy sometimes during the day, but now it's out. And obviously, this is another popular spot, guys. Obviously, everyone wants the picture here. What do you say? It's Curaçao. Yeah, most of the people who come here, they like the picture there. So, turns out the name of the bridge is Queen Emma, not Queen Elizabeth. I don't know why I was calling it Queen Elizabeth. I know it started with a D. There's some local food here next to the bridge. Also, you have the ferries there, guys, if you want to go to any other island. And if you want to mobilize around the island, these guys will give you a tour for $65 a day. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed Curaçao as much as I did, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Share this video with your friends. This is it for today, and ciao for now.